hedder Cecilia Iftikar, og jeg har været så heldig at vinde titlen som Miss Earth Danmark 2011. Hi, my name is Cecilia Iftikar, and I have won the title as Miss Earth Denmark 2011, which I'm very proud of, by the official Miss Denmark organization. I'm 24 years old and I live in Copenhagen, and where I work as a dental hygienist. My country, Denmark, is a very small country with about 5.5 million citizens. But even though it's a small country, we have a big and beautiful nature. Right now we are in one of my favorite places in Denmark. It's a place called Jægersport Dyrehaven. In Danish it means the animal's garden. It's because sometimes here are some deer herds. Historical place built of one of our many kings. And I love to come here a lot with my dog and enjoy the surroundings. But it's also a very special place to me because it was here I was first introduced to nature by my parents. I'm very proud to represent my beautiful country, and I want to use my title as Miss Earth to save places like this in Denmark and around the world. And I can't wait to meet you all.